So right now it's 10:57, but my Garmin thinks that it's 2:48. And I've tried a number of things to fix this. Go into settings, it's supposed to be on auto time, and it is. Turn it off, turn it on. Done all of these things. I think what I need to do at this point here is I need to try to turn the GPS on. Because I think that if I do the GPS, I turn that on, that will end up connecting to the satellite, and the satellite should have the time. So that's my hypothesis here. I've not seen this technique done on the internet with my searches, so we'll just let it go and see what happens. All right, so we're back, and I forgot about this, so it's now about 11:45, 11:46 by my other clocks here, and let's see if turning the GPS on has fixed this. And oh yeah, so that does it. It seems that the best way, if your Garmin Venu is having problems getting the right time, just make sure you turn the GPS on, connects to those satellites, and that should fix the time. This is Dr. B. Thanks for watching.